What's going on, guys? I'm Jesse from Jesse's Garage and Adventures, and in today's video I'm going to be going over this Gonex foldable table. I think that these are pretty important to have in some ways. I have gone between many different tables, and I've actually had a very similar style table before, but I bought it off of Amazon. It was fairly cheap and the quality was just terrible, so I ended up returning it. Gonex reached out to me and they wanted me to try this, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to set it up. I'll give you guys a good review of it, see what you guys think. You can tell me what you think below. But I've had this open once already and I like it. And let's go ahead and get it set up. So first of all, let's just start out with, this actually comes with a pretty nice bag. The one that I had returned from Amazon had a really cheap bag and it was ripped before I even got it. This bag seems pretty sturdy. We're going to go ahead and open everything up. This is an organizer that you can place under the table. I don't tend to use these things, but it's nice that they give you the option. We've got the frame, which actually is pretty sturdy for what it is. And then the way you set this up is you just unfold it, click it together, and then you'll unfold the legs, and that will widen it out itself. It does have adjustable feet so that you can adjust it to whatever height you want. And then I'm going to grab the camera and I'm going to show you guys something pretty neat about the feet. So the feet are actually held in with like these micro ratchets. And you can pull them out. You don't necessarily have to press the button, but they will not go in without pressing the button. So if you don't want, I'm a silent kind of person. I don't like to hear all the noise. But if you wanted to, you could just simply pull this out. It would automatically ratchet to wherever you stop. All right, so now we're going to lift it up and go ahead and put the top on. It's really light. It's not heavy at all. So this is just a roll top. And then to set it in there, at the end, it's got little locks that hold it in place. So you click it down, pick it up, you stretch it out a little bit, and then click it in. And I'll get a close-up on these latches that actually hold it in place. And there you go. So it does have these little bars here on all four corners that come down and latch into each leg. And that helps stabilize the table to where it will not collapse on you. You can see one there, and then there's one on that corner as well. I like the table because it folds down into a pretty small area. It's a little bit shorter than I personally like to have things, but it's taller than a lot of the other options. The other one that I purchased off of Amazon was only about this tall, so it's better. I personally like about a hip height table, but I guess that's subjective to how tall you are. If you're a shorter person, you probably like a little bit shorter of a table. If you're a taller person, you probably like a little taller table. So I just laid out some typical stuff that I bring camping. We've got a 5-gallon water container. I've got my anchor on here and my Gonex stove. There's plenty of space that you'd be able to cook on, prepare food, you know, hold your water, hold your power station, things like that. I'm pretty happy with how big it is for how small of a package it packs down into. Let's go ahead and clean everything up, and I'll show you unpacking everything and putting it back into the bag. All right, to unpack it, you just first start by pressing these buttons in, lifting the sides up, and then you just want to roll this back up. You want to make sure that you keep the roll tight, that way you don't waste a lot of space in the bag. Click these back in, pick that side up, and then place this back in the bag. Once that's situated, then you just go through and unhook all four corners. And then at this point, it's kind of up to you. You could either shorten the legs, you could fold it in half and then collapse it. It's up to you. I fold it in half. And then I fold the legs in to start collapsing it. And then I push these in while it's all close to each other. Then you just place that back in the bag. Place your organizer back in. And then it's packed up and you're ready to head on out of camp. I just want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully this gave you a little bit of insight before you go ahead and purchase the Gonex table. Make sure that's exactly what you're looking for and it fits your needs. If you did like this video, please remember to like, share, subscribe. Check out my affiliate links below. I may have discounts for some products you like.